Buying a used car shouldn't feel like a gamble, but for a lot of people it does. You find something that looks clean, drives well on the test drive, and seems like a solid deal, until a few weeks later, when the first unexpected repair shows up, and suddenly that good price doesn't feel so good anymore. That's exactly what we're avoiding in this video. Instead of chasing flashy deals or popular picks everyone already talks about, we're focusing on 5 used vehicles that are known for being safe, consistent, and, most importantly, predictable to own. These are the kinds of cars that don't hit you with random failures, don't live in the shop, and don't slowly drain your bank account with hidden issues. I'm talking about models with proven track records, solid engineering, and the kind of ownership experience where you actually know what to expect year after year. And one of these in particular is seriously overlooked in the market right now, even though it might be the smartest long-term buy on this list. So if you want something that feels right, not just on the first drive, but 6 months and 2 years down the road, this is where you start. Let's get into it. If you want a car that delivers a true luxury feel without the constant fear of unpredictable repairs, the Lincoln MKZ is one of the safest choices you can make in this segment. It's understated on the outside, but once you're inside, it feels refined, quiet, and extremely comfortable. This is a car built for smooth, stress-free driving, not for showing off, but for actually enjoying daily ownership. From a technical standpoint, the MKZ stands out because it doesn't overcomplicate things. The 2.0L EcoBoost turbo engine is widely used across Ford's lineup, which means it's well understood and generally reliable when properly maintained. It uses direct injection and delivers a solid balance between power and efficiency without being overly stressed. The 6-speed automatic transmission is another strong point. It's simpler and more proven than many newer 8 or 10-speed units that can sometimes be inconsistent in other brands. On top of that, the fully independent suspension setup helps deliver a stable, composed ride while also reducing long-term wear when the car is driven normally. There's also a hybrid version available, and this is where the MKZ becomes even more interesting. The hybrid system has a strong track record for durability, especially in city driving, and it operates smoothly without adding significant maintenance risk. In terms of safety hardware, you're getting 4-wheel disc brakes, solid structural integrity, and available driver assistance features like forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking in newer models, reinforcing its reputation as a safe, predictable daily driver. Now, it's not perfect, and that's exactly why it fits this list honestly. The main watch-out is electronics. The Sync infotainment system can have occasional glitches or lag, and some sensors may need attention over time. These aren't typically major failures, but they can be annoying if the car hasn't been well maintained. Also, AWD versions add extra mechanical complexity. So if your goal is maximum long-term predictability, the front-wheel drive models are the smarter pick. If you're shopping for one, focus on the 2017 to 2020 models. That's when the MKZ received its refresh, with improved tech, better refinement, and an overall more polished driving experience. Who is this for? Someone who wants a quiet, comfortable, near-luxury sedan that won't constantly demand money or attention. It's a smart, low-drama choice that delivers exactly what it promises, and that's why it deserves a spot on this list. And the next car goes in a completely different direction, but might be even more dependable in the long run. Now, if the MKZ is all about quiet luxury, this next pick goes in a different direction, but might actually be even more dependable in the real world. The Mazda CX-5 is one of those SUVs that doesn't rely on hype, yet consistently delivers where it matters most: safety, driving confidence, and long-term reliability. What makes the CX-5 stand out is how solid it feels on the road. The steering is precise, the chassis is well-balanced, And unlike many compact SUVs, it doesn't feel loose or disconnected at highway speeds. It's the kind of vehicle that gives you confidence in different driving conditions, which is a big part of what makes it a no-surprises ownership experience. Technically, Mazda took a very smart approach here. Instead of going all in on small turbo engines early on, they stuck with their naturally aspirated 2.5L Skyactiv-G engine for most models, which is known for its durability and lower long-term stress. It uses a high-compression design but avoids excessive complexity, making it one of the more reliable engines in this class. The 6-speed automatic transmission is another highlight. Again, simple, proven, and far less problematic than many CVTs used by competitors. This combination alone already puts the CX-5 ahead in terms of predictability. The suspension setup, independent in the front and rear, helps deliver a composed ride without sacrificing durability. And the available AWD system is mechanically straightforward and reliable when maintained properly. On the safety side, newer models come with features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, reinforcing its reputation as a safe daily driver. Now, for the watch-outs. Earlier models, especially pre-2017, can have quicker suspension wear depending on road conditions, and you may notice things like bushings or shocks needing attention sooner than expected. Also, while the interior is well built, it's not as plush as some luxury competitors. This is more about function and quality than flash. If you're buying, the sweet spot is 2017 to 2021. That's when the CX-5 got a major redesign, improved cabin quality, better sound insulation, and overall refinement that makes it feel more premium without sacrificing reliability. Who is this for? Someone who wants an SUV that just works, something safe, predictable, and actually enjoyable to drive, without dealing with fragile components or complicated systems. It's one of the easiest vehicles to live with in this segment, and that's exactly why it earns its place here. And the next one? That's where things start to feel a lot more premium, without the usual luxury car risks. Now, this is where things get interesting, because the Buick Envision is one of the most overlooked safe buys in the entire used market. It doesn't get much attention, it's not trendy, and that's exactly why it can be such a smart decision. What you're getting here is a quiet, comfortable, near-luxury SUV that focuses on smoothness and consistency rather than performance or complexity. On the road, the Envision feels extremely composed. The ride is soft without being floaty. The cabin is impressively quiet, and it's clearly tuned for relaxed, stress-free driving. This is not a sporty SUV, it's built to isolate you from the road, and it does that very well, which is a big part of why owners tend to have fewer complaints over time. From a technical perspective, the Envision keeps things relatively straightforward. Most models come with a 2.5L naturally aspirated engine, which is known for being durable and low stress, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that has a solid reliability track record. Some later models offer a 2.0L turbo engine, which adds performance but also slightly more complexity. Still generally reliable, but the naturally aspirated setup is the safer long-term bet if your goal is maximum predictability. The AWD system is available and works well, but like with most vehicles on this list, front-wheel drive versions tend to be simpler and cheaper to maintain over time. In terms of safety, the Envision comes with strong structural ratings and available features like forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring, especially in 2019 plus models. Now, the watch-outs. The biggest thing here is electronics. Buick's infotainment system and some interior electronics can develop minor glitches over time. Nothing catastrophic, but definitely something to check before buying. Also, because this is a quieter, comfort-focused SUV, Suspension components can wear gradually without the driver noticing right away, so a pre-purchase inspection is key. If you're shopping smart, focus on 2019 to 2022 models. That's where you get the best balance of updated tech, improved refinement, and fewer early production quirks. Who is this for? Someone who wants a premium-feeling SUV that doesn't come with premium-level risk. If your priority is comfort, quietness, and a predictable ownership experience, not performance or badge status, the Envision is easily one of the smartest underrated choices out there. And the next vehicle takes a completely different approach, bringing hybrid efficiency into the mix without sacrificing reliability. Now, if the Envision is about quiet comfort, this next one adds something even more valuable for long-term ownership: efficiency without added risk. The Toyota Venza is one of the few SUVs in this price range that gives you a hybrid system you don't have to worry about, combined with the kind of consistency Toyota is known for. On the road, the Venza feels smooth, composed, and very easy to live with. It's not trying to be sporty or aggressive. Everything about it is tuned for calm, predictable driving. The transition between electric and gas power is seamless, and the overall experience is quiet and refined, especially in city driving where hybrids really shine. Technically, this is where the Venza really separates itself. It uses Toyota's proven hybrid system with a 2.5L four-cylinder engine paired to electric motors and an eCVT transmission. This setup has been used across multiple Toyota models and has one of the strongest reliability records in the industry. Unlike traditional CVTs that can be problematic in some brands, Toyota's eCVT is mechanically simpler and built for durability. Another big advantage is the AWD system. It's electronic, meaning there's no traditional drive shaft running to the rear wheels, which reduces mechanical complexity and long-term maintenance risk. Safety is another strong point. Most Venza models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and more. It's the kind of package that not only protects you in an accident, but helps you avoid one in the first place. Now, in terms of watchouts, there aren't many major ones, but there are a few things to keep in mind. The infotainment system can feel a bit outdated compared to newer competitors. And because this is a hybrid, battery condition is always something to check, although Toyota's track record here is extremely strong. Also, cargo space is a bit more limited compared to more boxy SUVs, since the design leans more toward a sleek crossover profile. If you're buying, the sweet spot is 2021 to 2023. That's when the Venza returned to the market with this current hybrid-only setup, improved tech, and a much more refined overall package. Who is this for? Someone who wants maximum predictability in ownership costs, low fuel expenses, minimal mechanical surprises, and a smooth daily driving experience. If your goal is to avoid both the gas pump and the repair shop as much as possible, the Venza is one of the smartest choices you can make. And the last car on this list brings everything together: space, comfort, and one of the most proven reputations for long-term reliability in the entire market. If your priority is absolute peace of mind, the Toyota Avalon is about as close as it gets. This is one of those cars that rarely makes headlines, but consistently delivers one of the most predictable ownership experiences you can have. It's comfortable and built on a platform that's been refined over years to minimize problems. Driving the Avalon feels effortless. The ride is smooth, the cabin is extremely quiet, and it's clearly designed for long-distance comfort. This is the kind of car you can drive for hours without fatigue, and that's a big part of its appeal. It does everything well without drawing attention to itself. Under the hood, most Avalons come with a 3.5L V6 engine, one of Toyota's most proven powertrains. It's naturally aspirated, well-balanced, and known to last a long time with basic maintenance. Paired with a conventional automatic transmission, This setup avoids the complexity you see in smaller turbo engines or less proven gearboxes. There's also a hybrid version available which adds excellent fuel economy while maintaining Toyota's strong reliability record. In terms of safety, the Avalon scores high across the board, with strong crash test ratings and standard driver assistance features in newer models, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. Now, the watch-outs. The main one is cost. While it's reliable, parts and maintenance can be slightly more expensive than smaller Toyota models. Also, because it's a larger sedan, things like brakes and tires may wear faster depending on driving style. And like many Toyota interiors, the infotainment system isn't the most cutting edge, especially in earlier models. If you're shopping smart, focus on 2014 to 2018 for value and proven reliability, or newer if your budget allows for more tech and refinement. Who is this for? Someone who wants a full-size sedan that just works year after year with minimal surprises. If your goal is comfort, durability, and long-term peace of mind, the Avalon is one of the safest bets you can make. And that's exactly what this list is about. Cars that don't just look like a good deal today, but still feel like a smart decision years down the road. If there's one thing all 5 of these vehicles have in common, it's this: they don't try to impress you with hype. They earn your trust over time. These are the kinds of cars that feel like a good decision not just on day one, but months and years down the road, because they're built on proven engineering, solid reliability, and predictable ownership. At the end of the day, the smartest used car isn't the flashiest or the cheapest. It's the one that doesn't surprise you. The one that starts every morning, drives the way it should, and doesn't turn into a constant expense. Now I'm curious, which one would you actually pick? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more smart, low-risk luxury and comfortable daily drivers like these, make sure to subscribe.